This corner's a bit of a mess. It's been broken off, pinned back on, a load of filler put in it. So I'll try and get that off, clean it up and put it back where it's supposed to be. I have managed to get it off. Needs a bit of cleaning up. There's actually a bit of wood in that, so that's got a bit of filler on top, so we'll get that back hopefully. When you're taking pins out like this, it's worth sticking it up against a bit of softwood just to start it off, so it doesn't break a load of wood out the front. It comes out a lot cleaner. If you can, just nip the head off, pull it through the other way, you don't get loads of damage. Try and get it straight first. The reason I don't like pulling them out through the front is because they tend to go rusty and then you get a load of break out around the edge of the hole. You can't always do this. I mean, if you can't get to the back, that's a completely different way of getting them out. You usually have to dig them out and things, and it's difficult not to cause any damage. But if you've got beading or anything like that where you've actually pulled it off and you want to get the pins out, this is the safest way without wrecking the beading. I picked off most of the glue with a knife and then soaked it in water, kept brushing on plenty of water just to soften what was left of the glue because it's animal glue, and then I've just clamped it together, so with it being soft it's sort of gone back where it belongs, and when it dries that glue should hold. If it doesn't, I can always re-glue it because I know it actually does go together again. I've left this clamped up overnight, so we'll see whether it's stuck or not. Yeah, it seems to be quite firm. It's a good way of doing it. It has joined up nice and tight. That dark area is just a bit of muck, I think, built up from years of it being in the wrong place. It's better to do it this way because if you try and pick the glue off, there's always little bits left and it doesn't go back. So if you soak it in water and squeeze it together back to where it belongs, even if it falls apart, it doesn't matter, because you can just put fresh glue on and glue it back, and you know it'll marry up again. This piece, although there is some wood there, a lot of it's filler, and the front face actually goes in and it's got filler on it, so I don't think it's worth trying to get that back in. I've cleaned this out a little bit. It's quite fragile around here, but once I've filled it all with glue and pushed it all down, it'll be okay. And I've got a few offcuts of old mahogany, and I think that piece is probably a better colour match. So I'll chop a piece out of this and stick it in there. The grain on the drawer front is running at quite a steep angle, so I need to trim this because that's not quite enough. So I need to trim it off like that so I can get it as close as I can before chopping it in to fit.